Stand down, Number 10. Please.
Member Bear. Orang tidak ikut kena ilu ni makni u. Aman belu ahi. Na abu ni makni u le bukan. Aku nak sah, orang kau nak ikut. Leni mak iban. Leni ni baik karabi. Apa kan yang tunjuk kono orang dia lok mai nak tu naik ikut mangku mana orang. Aman ni mak abu balik. Ilu ni makni u. Biar dia ikut mai. Tapi yang orang sermain tabe. Kami hotel ni Vanua. Nentuai nak. Tuai, ungkap kan kau. Apa soal lo isa tabu ba? Sabo bombe kan ni ben populan. Kira-kira ni musuh. Bila orang ona yang manulongan, mangkano na yang gona, mangkano na yawayaw, ona yang ngama.
Natural observon. Isu-isu. No boleh mungkin orang mungkin itu. Kalau jelas nak guna tadi dan atau ada kebaik kalau baca tu orang tu main guna tadi.
Take this opportunity to come and see you and thank you for the wonderful work you're doing for the people of Fiji, people of Levu, and the kids of this district. I know you'll be parting company soon. Troops from France be leaving this afternoon or tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. As you leave, please take the wonderful memories of this place. Thank you for the wonderful work that you're doing for us. It's I know we have a few overseas visitors coming in this week. The Minister for Foreign Affairs is coming in this afternoon. I'll be able to meet up with her before she heads back to Australia. I met the Kiwi Foreign Affairs Minister a couple of months back. I've yet to meet the French Foreign Affairs Minister to thank everyone for the wonderful work you're doing here for us. Thank you. And God bless you all. Hey, mother!